It's Igbo o'clock. Let's learn some Igbo language on the roads for today. Yeah. Okporo ụzọ road. Okporo kota. You can actually say kota or you say kolota, which is the way our mothers do say it before now. That is the third road. Okporo awara. That's the busy road. Ụzọ azụ, I know you might argue this, but this is the shortcut or the appian way. Mgbochi okporo ụzọ, that's what you call road bomb. Then nkewa okporo ụzọ is what you call road demarcation. Ọkụ okporo ụzọ, street light or road light. Ọkụ nduzi okporo, that is traffic light. Ntụgharị okirikiri roundabout. Ntụgharị okirikiri roundabout. Ngalaba atọ, that is the Y junction. Ngalaba anọ, that is the T junction. A small T with a crossing gives you the T junction. Now, do you think I miss any? Keep learning, keep commenting, keep sharing, keep following, and subscribing for more.